Today we're making chocolate chip banana bread. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's freezing cold. It is actually freezing cold out there. I'm really glad I went grocery shopping before today to make this. Here's what's going on. We're making chocolate chip banana bread simply because. There really is no extra reason. But this is a really easy recipe. You can do this. You can use overripe bananas, or if you don't have overripe bananas, you can ripen your own by putting them in the oven. I put mine at 350 degrees and baked them until the skins were black. Then I took them out of the skins and mashed them. Ta-da! That's how you get the bananas that you want. But let's get started with this. It's so simple. I have 1 cup and 3/4 of flour. Now all the ingredients will flash down in, I think it's in that corner of the screen. They're also listed down below in the description. To that I'm going to add my baking powder and my baking soda. We're going to give this a little whisk. Whisking, whisking, whisking. And then sit this aside. Now I have my mashed bananas. This is just over 1.5 cups, and mine was 3 bananas. That's why I know it's just over 1.5 cups. To that I'm going to add my butter. It smells like banana heaven already. And then I'm going to add a pinch of sea salt or a 1/2 teaspoon of regular salt. And that's, if you don't have sea salt, use the regular salt. Don't forget to check out down in the description. There are links to everything. You can go to my Amazon affiliate site and my Amazon influencer site, and it'll have links to just about everything that I use. Now I'm going to add the sugar and the eggs. Now, you can use buttermilk or you can use what I'm using, which is heavy cream. This is when you really want to make sure that you do scrape well. I'm going to add my vanilla. Now, hopefully I will not have this flour mixture going everywhere, but we're going to add that in. Mix that till it's just incorporated. Don't go overboard. It'll have tough banana bread. Now we're going to add our chocolate chips. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now I've got to find the locking mechanism. Scrape off my beater. I will give this a couple more stirs in the bowl and hopefully put this fairly well into our pre-greased loaf pan. It smells super good. Ooh. Now I'm going to put this into the oven and let it bake for about 45 to 55 minutes until a cake tester stuck down into the center comes out clean. Our bread is done. It has been cooling. I'm going to slice off a piece. Fairly good sized piece, I might add. That smells really good. Let's give it a taste. I don't know which makes this like extra special, but that is really good banana bread. I love the mixture of the chocolate and the bananas. It has a really good flavor. You can really taste the banana in it, the chocolate in it. This is super good. I would recommend this. I mean, this one is like, it's crunchy on the outside. Be sure to watch it and make sure that you don't overcook it. If it starts cooking too much on the top, put a piece of aluminum foil over it, then keep cooking it. But this is so good, and it's so easy to make. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you have ideas or if you want me to make something, let me know down in the comments, and I will try to get to it. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.